Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm the Administration and Communications Assistant here at Care Opinion Australia. And today I'll be talking you through the assisted storytelling method of the assisted storytelling form. Let's get into it. So why use the assisted storytelling form? We might like to use it to ensure that all voices have an equal opportunity of being heard at your service and as an opportunity to collect feedback that might have otherwise been missed. So this might be from patients or consumers who have lower literacy skills or are not able to hold a pencil or otherwise just appreciate some assistance in sharing their feedback. Where can you use it? Well, you can use it in the care in the home services, residential aged care, in the hospital. The important thing to remember is that no matter where it's being used, as long as it's coming back to Care Opinion and the original copies are not being kept at the service, that's what's most important. So the first place I'll direct you to is the assisted storytelling page on the Care Opinion website. You can find this under the help pages. This page contains a wealth of information which will be incredibly useful to you in using the assisted storytelling at your service. It includes the storytelling guide, which is a guide for staff and volunteers who will be implementing assisting storytelling at the service. The assisted storytelling form, so this is the form on which the story will be written down on. The assisted storytelling checklist and the assisted storytelling poster. So here we have the assisted storytelling form. So I'm going to briefly go through this. The first page is collecting the information that we would normally collect through the Tell Your Story process. So it is important that all of these fields are filled out. This is where we're looking for information like where the story happened, when it happened, how the patient or how the storyteller is related to the story, whether they're the patient or a family member, just checking that they're over 18, and also that we have a contact for them, whether that be an email address or phone number, so we can get in contact with them regarding their story. Onto the second page, this is where the storytelling can occur. So we just ask that it's a brief account of their care experience, same as the storytelling through the platform. If they do need a bit more space than this, you can attach a blank page and they can continue to add their story into there. And it's just important that that's sent back to us at the end as well. There is the optional survey here, same as the Tell Your Story process on the Care Opinion website. And on the final page, we have some information about consent. And down the bottom, importantly, we also like to collect a signature and date of the person who assisted this storytelling, so whether that be the volunteer or staff member, and just get that confirmation that no copies of the story are being kept. So at the end, it's important that this form is either scanned and sent back to us via email and the original copy destroyed, or the original copy can be mailed through to us as well. So some tips for success. Firstly, refer to the assisted storytelling guide. It's a big document, but it has a wealth of information that will explain to volunteers and staff who'll be collecting this feedback how they might like to frame the ask when they're asking for the feedback. Notes for the storyteller, so it includes information for the storyteller on what happens to their feedback when it goes through Care Opinion, and a step-by-step on submitting the story to make sure that that process is successful. Another tip is to collect that email address or phone number for the storyteller. It just makes it easier for us if we need to contact the storyteller, if we have any further questions, or if we need information regarding their story. Ensure that no copies of the story are kept at the service. This is important to make sure that we're providing that safety to the storyteller and ensuring that they are anonymous when they're sharing their feedback, and leave it to us to enter the story onto the platform. So once you've collected the feedback from the storyteller and it's on that assisted storytelling form, send it through to us and then we will enter it onto the platform for you. So there's no pressure to do that. I hope this video has been helpful in starting off your assisted storytelling journey, and I wish you all the best with collecting those stories. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.